Here's what I picked up at Sephora during the recent sale. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'm Jen. I have been loving these Sephora Favorites kits. I got another one that was like skincare and some makeup prep type stuff. It was like prep and set. This one is focused on hair care. I think it was marked down quite a bit. And then I also got this mascara. This is Lancôme, the Monsieur Big Waterproof. I don't know about you, but drugstore mascara is getting kind of pricey. So this one was on sale and it was really like not that much more expensive than drugstore prices. So I decided to give this one a go. So we'll open this first. And I got I think it was a L'Oreal mascara recently. I kind of like it, but the formula is a little bit waxy. So I thought I would give this one a try. Monsieur Big Waterproof, and I believe this is black. Let's see what this looks like. I liked the brush of this one. Okay, this is kind of what I like. It's not waxy and the brush looks pretty promising. So on to the main event. This is the Sephora Favorites Spring Styling Superstars, a $145 value. And the reason I got this was because I wanted to try out the Amika Wizard Detangling Primer. This has great ratings, so I was like, I gotta try this. Look at how much stuff this comes with. Amika the Wizard Silicone-Free Detangling Primer. And this had really good reviews online, so I'm going to try this today after I take a shower. Messy by Ali Webb I Am Enough Rough Dry Style Cream. This tube is pretty large. It's 3 ounces. Pattern Palo Santo Curl Gel, okay. The full-size version of this is really pricey. It's Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. This is a mini size. Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Chris McMillan, the Glassy Smooth Blow Dry Spray. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Style Refresh Mist. Not sure how to pronounce this. Is this Wee Wave Spray? I'll have to kind of experiment with some of these. I don't know exactly what all these do. I bought it for that Amika product. And then Kerastase Elixir Ultime. All right, so it comes with quite a few products. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get 9 hair products all in one kit. And the retail price is $48, but I got it on sale. So, I mean, this is a ton of stuff. Really fantastic value for everything you get in this set. And you could try out a lot of the popular products without having to commit to a full size. So I think that's wonderful. And I really wanted to try out this one. So I basically paid for a full-size version of this, plus everything else was free. So not a bad deal. Down below in the description box, I will put some links to where you can get this set. You can also shop this video directly. Not sponsored or anything. I paid for everything in here. I do use some affiliate links. Check out some of my other videos here on the channel, and I will catch you again in the next one.